the activity sheet number 4 we have completed. Okay, so today we solve the activity sheet number 5. All of you open page number 63 in your textbook. Ellaru ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ page number 63 ಅನ್ನ open ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so activity sheet number 5. Opposites. So you all know like the opposite words. So in the previous class or in the previous lessons you have learned the opposite words andre ವಿರುದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳು. So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ for example black white, big small, short tall, thick thin, opposite ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿವು opposite word. So look at the pictures, fill in the blanks with big or small. So here they have chosen the topic or the subject of big or small. Only you need to find out the big or small. Okay, so ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ತೈತಿ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಬಿಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎರಡು ಏನಿವು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. For example, a lion is big, a mouse is small. So lion and the mouse. I had told you the lion and the mouse story. Simha the lion lesson ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ lion ಮತ್ತೆ mouse story ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So a lion is a big animal. So lion ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಹ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸಿಂಹ. So the lion is a big animal and the mouse is a very small. ಇಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ. So here big and small ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. So these are the opposite words. Word pairs such as big, small, tall, short, fat, thin, happy, sad. So here are some opposite words. Big or small I have written here. Next coming to the tall, short. Yes, next fat, thin, happy, sad. Next ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿವು black, white. These are the opposite words. Black, white. Okay, so these are all are the opposite words. Next, here they have given some pictures. By seeing the pictures you need to identify that whether which animal is big and which animal is small. The dog is here. See the picture. Which one is small and which one is a big? Dog is a big or small compared to the tiger? Small. Then the tiger is a big. So here the dog is small. So you need to write the first one small. Okay. Shall I write it all the words? Opposites. The heading is what? Opposites. So opposites ಅಲ್ಲಿ first one ಏನು the dog is small. The dog is small. Next the tiger is ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ the tiger ಏನಿದೆ big. The tiger is big. Okay, next. So is it correct here? Big ಅನ್ನೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? No. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Is it correct? No. Then what should we need to write? Small letter. Big ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು small letter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So B should be in the small letter. Big. Next. Father and son is given here. Who is tall and who is short here? Who is big and who is small? The father is what? Tall or a big? ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? father is big. The boy is small. The father is big. The boy is small. Next, third one. The tree is big. Nodri erdadralli yav big ide? Tree big ide. Bush enide? Small. So the tree is big. The bush is small. The bush is small. Okay. Next, hindgade turn the page. Page number 64. Adralli ಏನನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So look at the picture. The melon, watermelon. So they have given watermelon and the ball in the textbook. So which is big? The melon is a big or small? The melon is big. Fourth one. The melon is big. Melon andrenu? Watermelon, kalandi. The melon is big. Next, the ball is small. The ball is small. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, children, write it down. And next, we may name 5 big things and 5 small things. So name 5 big things and 5 small things. 5 small things anna ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and 5 big things anna. For example, 5 big things and 5 small things. Big. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ lion is a big animal and the mouse is small. Okay, so like that. Next, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು big ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Lion. Elephant. Elephant is a big thing. Okay, so like that, small things and the big things. Okay, you need to list it out. So it is your homework. Will you do it? So this is your homework part. So do it. Okay. Next, yes children, will you do it? ಈಗ big things, ದೊಡ್ಡ things ಏನೇನು ಇರ್ತವೆ? For example, the door is big and the window is small. ಅಲ್ಲ? Chalk piece is small but the board is big. Blackboard, chalk piece. Yes. Next, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು? Small things ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅದನ್ನ 5 ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Big things ಏನೇನಿದಾವೆ ಅದನ್ನ 5 ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, will you do it? For example, if you take an apple, means it is a big or a small? Small. If you take a ball, football, it is big. The football is big, the apple is small. Yes. The moon is big and the stars are small. Yes. So like that, list the 5 objects, 5 things. Will you do it? As children. Okay. Here, the activity sheet number 5 is completed. Next, the activity sheet number 6 will continue in the next class. Okay, children? Yes. Thank you. Have a nice day.